Welcome back. In the world of portable Bluetooth speakers, the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 stands out as a popular choice for music lovers on the go. This cylindrical powerhouse promises to deliver bold sound in a rugged, waterproof package. But does it live up to the hype? Today we're diving deep into what makes the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 tick, and whether it deserves a spot in your audio arsenal. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 impresses with its sleek, cylindrical design. Available in a range of vibrant colors, including the classic night black we're reviewing today, this speaker is as much a fashion statement as it is an audio device. The speaker stands at about 7.2 inches tall and 2.9 inches in diameter, making it easily portable. Its two-tone fabric covering isn't just for looks, it's durable and water-resistant, contributing to the speaker's IP67 rating. This means it can be submerged in water up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes without damage. The Boom 3's build quality is robust, with a solid feel that instills confidence in its durability. The iconic plus and minus volume buttons are prominently featured on the front, while the top houses the power and Bluetooth pairing buttons, along with the new Magic button for playback control. Sound quality. When it comes to audio performance, the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 doesn't disappoint. Its 360-degree sound design fills a room with rich, clear audio that belies its compact size. The bass response is particularly impressive for a speaker of this size. While it won't rattle your windows, it provides a satisfying thump that adds depth to your music. The mids are well balanced, ensuring vocals come through crisp and clear. The high frequencies are bright without being harsh, adding sparkle to your tunes. One of the Boom 3's strengths is its ability to maintain audio clarity at high volumes. Unlike some portable speakers that distort when pushed, the Boom 3 keeps its composure even when you crank it up. Features and functionality. The Ultimate Ears Boom 3 comes packed with features that enhance its usability. 1. Battery life. With up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge, the Boom 3 can keep the party going all day long. Micro USB charging port is a welcome upgrade from its predecessor. 2. Bluetooth range. With a range of up to 150 feet, you can roam far from your device without losing connection. 3. Party Up feature. This allows you to connect up to 150 compatible Ultimate Ears speakers for a truly massive sound experience. 4. Magic button. This new addition allows for easy play, pause, and skip track functionality directly from the speaker. 5. Ultimate Ears app. The companion app offers EQ customization, remote power on-off, and firmware updates. 6. IP67 waterproof and dustproof. This speaker can handle poolside parties or beach outings with ease. Performance. In real-world testing, the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 proves to be a versatile performer. At outdoor gatherings, it provides enough volume to soundtrack a backyard barbecue or beach party. The 360-degree sound dispersion ensures everyone gets a good listening experience, regardless of where they're positioned. Indoors, the Boom 3 easily fills a medium-sized room with rich, detailed sound. It handles different music genres with aplomb, from the thumping bass of hip-hop to the intricate melodies of classical music. The speaker particularly shines with pop and rock music. The balanced sound signature ensures that vocals are clear and instruments are well defined. Even at higher volumes, the Boom 3 maintains its composure with minimal distortion. When compared to a popular competitor like the JBL Flip 6, the Boom 3 holds its own. While the JBL might have a slight edge in bass response, the Boom 3 offers a more well-rounded sound and better features. Positive aspects. 1. Excellent sound quality with impressive bass for its size. 2. Durable waterproof design. 3. Long battery life. 4. Easy-to-use controls with the addition of the Magic button. 5. Wide Bluetooth range. 6. Party Up feature for connecting multiple speakers. Negative aspects. 1. No built-in microphone for speakerphone functionality. 2. The app, while useful, can be a bit finicky at times. 3. No auxiliary input for wired connections. The Ultimate Ears. Boom 3 is a fantastic portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers on its promises. It combines impressive sound quality, rugged durability, and a host of useful features in a stylish, compact package. While it's not perfect, the lack of a built-in mic and all input might be deal breakers for some. These minor drawbacks are easily outweighed by its strengths. the Boom 3 is an ideal choice for anyone looking for a versatile, high-quality portable speaker that can handle everything from beach parties to bedroom listening sessions. If you're in the market for a portable Bluetooth speaker that offers excellent sound, durability, and features, the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 should be at the top of your list. It's a worthy investment for music lovers who want great sound on the go. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Want to experience the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 for yourself? Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this awesome portable speaker. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality content for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.